Hi guys, I'm Rahul and welcome back to Fwrapper Aqua. So like I said in my previous video, this video is about how I made this beautiful water lily pond. So like you all know that I keep a lot of discus and there's a lot of water which comes out of discus tanks. So I thought why waste that, and it's got a lot of manure in it, and might as well have a small pond kind of a setup where I could put in some lilies and some lettuce, and also of course after some time I'll be adding some guppies into this tank. So this is about how we set up this tank or pond. I don't know whatever you want to call it. Yeah. So stay tuned. A small pond, lily pond. So we planning to pick up this pot, which is right here, and let's see how that pond is going to come out. That's going to be the pot which we're going to buy, and we're going to have some water lily in it. So, and of course some fishes inside it. Near our house to pick up some water lily. So this is a pink color water lily, and that is an orange color water lily that we are picking up. Make a pond for some guppies and some fishes. So let's see how that goes. To make our mini pond. Okay. Don't know what I'm going to do with it. So water testing is done. So our pond lily is in the car. Let's go and start this project. So we got late while coming back. So anyway, we set up the pot. It's time to set up this one. This is the soil which we're going to put as the base, and then we'll plant the lily plant, and then we'll be adding water. For the lilies to get in. Cutting out some of the dead leaves. So the flower is going to look, and it blooms. Nice lily flower. There's a new leaf which is just coming out. Basically you have to put all the roots inside and then cover with one more layer of sand. That's what Mimi is trying to do, making space for the orange lily. And there is our orange lily. So now the lilies are in place. It's time to add some sand. Now all the roots are covered. It's time to. Next step is to add water into our small pond. The whole idea of making that lily pond is that there's a lot of water with a lot of fish waste which is just going down the drain. So we thought we can use that to grow some nice beautiful looking lily plants. This is like best water for any water plant, full of fish waste and a lot of manure for the plants. So this kind of water is always available at my place because a lot of discus tanks. So instead of throwing it into the drain, we thought we'll make a lily pond. So that was the whole idea behind getting our new pond. So now we've got a bucket of water, so let's go pour it into the pond. So pour water very slowly. Pond is full now. We also added this water lettuce, which is actually, it was a small bunch, now it's spread across the entire thing. I've just picked up some stones. I'm going to clean them and put it inside into the tank because the sand underneath, as in when we pour water, the sand underneath gets kind of disturbed. So I want to add some stones and then settle that down, and maybe later we'll be adding fishes. Currently not adding fishes. So yeah. Finally I've added some stones so that the soil in the bottom doesn't get disturbed when you pour water. So my pond is kind of done. Now the plants need to settle down, and yeah, hopefully in some time I will be adding some fishes into this, maybe some guppies or something. Yeah, so till then, that's about this tank. So hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please do like and share our video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support us. And the next video which is going to be coming up is I picked up some beautiful red melons and red mandarin discus. You can see them in the background. So about the whole quarantine process and what and all things I do when I get a new fish. So the video is all about that. So stay tuned guys, and fish keeping and plant keeping is really fun if you do it the right way. So cheers.